Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about functional dependencies. So what is a functional dependency? Suppose there is a relation schema R and X and Y are two sets of attributes such that X and Y, they both are subsets of relation schema R. Now, the functional dependency X implies Y, right? The functional dependency X implies Y. It specifies a constraint on the possible tuples that can form relation state of relation schema R. Now, what is that constraint? The constraint is that if the two tuples T1 and T2, they have same values for attributes X, then they must have same values for attributes Y, right? So a functional dependency X implies Y. It specifies a constraint that if two tuples T1 and T2, they have same values for attributes X, then they must have same values for attributes Y. A functional dependency is a property of the meaning of the attributes. It is a property of the relation schema, and it must be defined by someone who knows the meaning of attributes of relation schema. For example, consider this relation schema, loan info schema. This schema has these attributes: loan number, branch number, customer name, and amount. Now, from the meaning of these attributes, we know that these functional dependencies will hold. One of them is loan number implies amount, right? Since loan number uniquely determines the amount of loan taken by customer. So by the semantics or meanings of the attributes, we can specify this functional dependency that loan number specify amount. So the two tuples which have same value for loan number, then these two tuples must have same values for amount. Now see the another functional dependency which can also be specified from the meaning of the attributes of this schema is loan number implies branch name. Since loan number uniquely determines the name of branch which issued the loan, right? So what happens? The two tuples which have same value for loan number, then these two tuples must have same values for branch name. So in this way, from the semantics of the attributes, we can specify functional dependencies. Now, what happens? The database designers use their understanding of the semantics of the attributes of relation schema R to specify the functional dependencies that should hold on all relation states of relation schema R. Whenever the semantics or meaning of two sets of attributes in R indicate that a functional dependency should hold, we specify the dependency as a constraint. Relation states that satisfy the functional dependency constraints are called legal states of relation schema.